Sound effect? What? More like fuck effect. Oh my god. This person sucks. This person making noise while I'm playing video game. He also caught me playing video games in my room. Then he take my phone away. And last, it's a ripoff to YouTube. I hope this person will die soon. Do you know who likes this person? Sound effects fans. They like to hang out, but they can't because they're still grounded. And do you know who hates this person? Me. I wish I can kill him with a knife. So screw sound effect. And screw YouTube. Jacking off videos is way better than sound effect. End of rant.